Hello and welcome to 759 Ruddiman Drive in North Muskegon. I am so excited to show this premier waterfront home that is a Muskegon landmark. Let's take a look. Some of my favorite features of this beautiful home would be the custom staircase with the solid wrought iron stair rail, the arched entries, and all of the custom millwork throughout. Also, I love that the sellers renovated it and ended up doing so many modern day conveniences as well. For more information to see this one-of-a-kind waterfront home, 140 foot of water frontage, please contact the Sandy Gentry team at 616-935-1150.